Are you a new rider looking to make your motorcycle truly yours? Whether you're after better performance, enhanced safety, or a touch of personal style, these 10 beginner-friendly mods will help upgrade your ride without overwhelming your skills or your budget. Stick around, because one of these mods will surprise you with how much it can improve your comfort and safety. Let's dive in. 1. Upgraded mirrors.
Hey folks, Boating52, hope you are well. Mirror A or Mirror B?
One of the simplest yet most effective upgrades you can make to your bike is upgrading its mirrors. Stock mirrors often come with limited visibility, creating blind spots that can be particularly risky for new riders. This can compromise safety, especially in heavy traffic or challenging riding conditions. By installing aftermarket mirrors, you can significantly expand your field of view, allowing you to stay more aware of your surroundings and making your rides both safer and more enjoyable. Think about it. Better visibility means you'll have a clearer sense of what's happening behind and around you. This is especially crucial when switching lanes, merging into traffic, or navigating tight city streets. Upgraded mirrors provide the confidence to focus on the road ahead, while being fully aware of potential hazards. The best part? It's an affordable modification, with most upgraded mirrors costing between $20 and $50. Installation is typically simple, making it an ideal first mod for beginners. Enhanced safety and confidence? A no-brainer. 2. LED headlights.
There's a ton of 7-inch round steel beam headlights out there that are junk. Aftermarket 7-inch round LED headlights up against popular stock headlights, and this is the final 6. These headlights are the best of the best, and in this video...
Next up, let's talk about lighting. Stock halogen headlights are often dim and outdated, which can make nighttime rides less safe and enjoyable. Upgrading to LED headlights is a simple yet impactful change that can improve your visibility significantly, while also giving your bike a modern and sleek aesthetic. Better lighting isn't just about illuminating the road ahead, it's also about ensuring that others can see you clearly, reducing the risk of accidents. LED headlights are not only brighter, but also more energy efficient, meaning they'll last longer and put less strain on your bike's electrical system. The improved brightness makes navigating dark roads or poorly lit areas much safer, giving you confidence and peace of mind during night rides. The best part? LED kits are affordable, starting as low as $30, with prices varying based on the brand and features. In addition to better illumination, they offer a longer lifespan and add a stylish edge to your bike, making them a smart and practical upgrade. 3. Crash bars or frame sliders.
When you think of dropping your bike, do you worry more about damaging the bike than injuring yourself?
Me too. That's how you know motorcycles run through your veins.
But that's also a good
2. Single ride bike. As a new rider, drops and falls are an inevitable part of the learning curve, but the right equipment can save you a lot of stress and expense. Crash bars or frame sliders are essential accessories that act as lifesavers when it comes to protecting your bike from significant damage in these situations. They serve as a sturdy buffer between the ground and your bike's vital components, such as the engine, fairings, and other bodywork. Picture this. You're practicing low-speed maneuvers in a parking lot, and the bike unexpectedly tips over. Instead of scratching your fairings, denting your tank, or damaging your engine, the crash bars absorb the impact, preventing costly repairs. Beyond protecting your bike, they also provide a little extra peace of mind, letting you focus on improving your skills without constant fear of damaging your ride. Crash bars are a worthwhile investment, costing around $50 to $150 depending on your bike's model. They're a small price to pay for the confidence and protection they provide. 4. Comfortable seat.
Comfortable motorcycle seats that cause back pain and soreness. Then you've come to the right place.
A comfortable seat can make all the difference, especially for longer rides. Many stock seats are too hard, poorly shaped, or lack proper padding, which can lead to discomfort and fatigue during extended use. Investing in an aftermarket seat designed for ergonomics and comfort is one of the most effective ways to enhance your riding experience. If you're someone who uses your bike for daily commuting, weekend adventures, or even long-distance touring, upgrading to a high-quality seat is a game changer. A well-designed seat can help reduce back pain, improve your posture, and minimize pressure points, allowing you to focus on the road instead of shifting uncomfortably. It transforms every ride into a more enjoyable and pain-free experience, making you look forward to spending time on the saddle. Costs range from $100 to $300 depending on the brand and features, but this investment is worth it for frequent riders. 5. Tank pad or grips.
Two functions: keeping you attached to your bike for better control and protecting your tank from getting scraped by your legs as you're holding on. These tank grips from R&G
protect your tank and enhance your control with a simple yet effective mod, tank pads or grips. These adhesive pads shield your tank from scratches caused by zippers, buttons, or general wear and tear, while also improving your grip on the bike. For new riders, this added grip can be a game changer, making the bike feel more stable and easier to handle, especially when leaning into turns or braking hard. Tank grips are not just practical, they're also a great way to customize your bike. Available in various designs and finishes, they allow you to protect your tank while adding a personal touch to your ride's appearance. They're particularly handy for riders who wear gear that might otherwise damage the paint, ensuring your bike stays in pristine condition. Best of all, tank pads are highly affordable. The benefits include better control, improved aesthetics, and a scratch-free tank, making this a smart and budget-friendly upgrade for any rider. Six. Bar end mirrors.
For ages, men have been told that bar end mirrors are the key to unlock their future business success.
For those seeking to blend functionality with style, bar end mirrors are a fantastic upgrade. These mirrors not only provide a significantly wider field of view compared to traditional mirrors, but also give your bike a sleek, custom look. Positioned at the ends of the handlebars, bar end mirrors help reduce clutter, resulting in a cleaner and more streamlined aesthetic. For new riders, the enhanced visibility offered by these mirrors is particularly beneficial. The ability to see more of the road behind you reduces blind spots and increases situational awareness, which is essential for building confidence and staying safe on the road. Whether you're navigating busy traffic or cruising on an open highway, bar end mirrors ensure a clearer, unobstructed view of your surroundings. Costing between $30 and $70, they are an affordable modification that combines practicality with a stylish touch, making them a worthwhile investment for any rider aiming to enhance both safety and appearance. 7. Upgraded tires.
What is with tire width? Why do some bikes, like the Z650 here, come with skinny little tires, while
Your bike's tires are among its most critical components, directly affecting safety, performance, and overall riding experience. Upgrading to higher quality tires can dramatically improve grip, especially in wet or challenging conditions, which is crucial for new riders who may not yet have the experience to handle tricky road situations confidently. Think of your tires as the foundation of your bike's performance. With the right set, you'll experience better traction, smoother cornering, shorter braking distances, and enhanced stability. Whether you're commuting through rain-soaked streets, navigating winding mountain roads, or simply cruising in unpredictable weather, premium tires can significantly boost both safety and enjoyment. High-quality tires aren't just about performance. They also provide peace of mind, allowing you to focus on the ride rather than worrying about slippery surfaces or unexpected turns. Costing between $100 and $300 per pair, they're a worthwhile investment in your safety, ensuring every journey feels secure and controlled, no matter the conditions. Eight. Phone mount and charger.
Choose between the USB weatherproof wireless charging head and the 12-volt to 24-volt waterproof wireless charging head.
For new riders exploring unfamiliar routes, a phone mount paired with a charger is an essential and practical upgrade. This setup lets you use navigation apps conveniently, reducing the need to take your eyes off the road for extended periods. Some mounts also offer waterproof or shock-resistant features, making them perfect for riders who venture out in various weather conditions or on bumpy terrains. Picture yourself navigating twisty back roads or bustling city streets with confidence, knowing your phone is secure and easily accessible. With your device firmly mounted, you can follow GPS directions without fumbling, enhancing both safety and convenience. Plus, having a built-in charger ensures your phone stays powered throughout your journey, eliminating concerns about running out of battery during long rides or when exploring remote areas. A good phone mount and charger combo is an affordable investment that enhances connectivity, improves navigation safety, and ensures your phone is always charged and ready to use. 9. Aftermarket exhaust. Conversations about life, riding, and the past. Who doesn't love the sound of a deeper, more aggressive exhaust note? An aftermarket exhaust not only enhances your bike's sound, but also provides a slight performance boost, giving your ride more character and excitement. However, it's important to choose an exhaust that complies with local noise regulations to avoid any legal hassles. Beyond the auditory appeal, an aftermarket exhaust offers practical benefits as well. Many stock exhausts are heavy and bulky, while aftermarket options are typically lighter, allowing you to shed some weight from your bike. This reduction improves your bike's power-to-weight ratio, resulting in better handling and responsiveness, making it a relatively affordable upgrade. The benefits include a richer sound, a modest performance enhancement, and a stylish upgrade that lets your bike stand out. Whether for performance, aesthetics, or sound, it's a mod worth considering. 10. A windshield is a must-have addition for reducing wind fatigue, especially if you plan to transition to highway commutes or touring. By redirecting airflow, it minimizes the strain on your body caused by wind resistance, making higher speeds far more comfortable and less tiring over time. Windshields are available in a variety of shapes, sizes, and styles, ensuring you can find one that perfectly matches your bike's design and your personal preferences. For taller riders, adjustable windshields are a fantastic option, allowing you to fine-tune the height for optimal comfort and protection. Some models even come with tinted or aerodynamic designs to enhance both functionality and aesthetics. Windshields are a practical and affordable upgrade. The benefits include reduced wind fatigue, improved aerodynamics, and a smoother, more enjoyable riding experience, especially on long-distance journeys. Benefit: reduced wind fatigue, better aerodynamics, and a more enjoyable ride at higher speeds. There you have it, the 10 best motorcycle mods for new riders. From upgraded mirrors to a windshield, these simple changes can significantly enhance your safety, comfort, and style. By investing in the right mods, you can make your bike feel like an extension of yourself, improving every aspect of your riding experience. So, which of these mods will you add to your bike first? Are you leaning towards safety upgrades like crash bars, or is a sleek new exhaust calling your name? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly motorcycle tips and tricks. Ride safe and happy modding!